वीक हमारा कौन सा HTML and Flash revision test next week. Okay, so from Monday onwards we are going to start revising the concept of HTML, and today theoretical revision of Flash, right? So write down the questions, hurry up. What is a Flash software? Anji, what is a Flash software? Animated software that will helps you to create different kind of animations, right? How to start Flash? How to start Flash? Yes, last girls, how to start Flash? Start button, all programs, Adobe. Who developed Flash? Adobe system. Features of Flash. What are the features of Flash? Used to create animation. Interactive websites can be made. Or that is done. Any other point? Used to create animation. ठीक है, the features लिख लोगे. Next, how to open new Flash document. Steps for opening new Flash document. How to open the new Flash document? आपसे मैंने कमांड तो पूछी नहीं है. You people are telling me the command, file menu, new option. I am asking the steps here. क्या ओपन होगा? New document window will appear. After that, तो general tab के अंदर action script 3.0 and lastly click on OK button. So the steps, first step, follow the command, that is file menu, new option, new document window will appear. Under the general tab, the action script 3.0 option is to be clicked and then click on OK button. Done? सबको लर्न हो गए steps? Yes, ma'am. Okay, next, components of Flash window. So the first component is stage. What is a stage? A stage is a large white area in the Flash window which is used for drawings and creating the animations. What is timeline? Last girl बच्चे, you are not revising. आप आगे आ जाओ फर्स्ट बेंच पे. Come here. So timeline is present at the bottom. Timeline is present at. What does it contains? It contains layers, frames, and frames. What are frames? Frames are the small rectangular cells on the timeline. Next, what are keyframes? Where is your book? Without book? Then how you are going to do revision? You know that the syllabus is over in the class, only revision part is going on. Then how will you revise without book? Do you have a book, Karthik? You both are having. So keyframes are the special type of frames that lets you change the properties of an object. What are layers? So layers are the transparent, you can say transparent surface on which you are going to do different type of tasks, right? How many layers are there by default? By default, one layer is there. What is the name? With the name layer 1. So can we change the name of a layer? Yes. So we can change the name of the layer. And which icon is used? Which icon is used to modify the? That is the pencil icon. What is a playhead? It indicates current frame on the stage. I think we are not doing any practical. आप क्या कर रहे हैं सिस्टम पे? आप क्या कर रहे हो सिस्टम पे? All the answers are written on your computer. So playhead indicates the current frame on a stage. Next, properties panel. Properties of the currently selected object. Object की properties आती हैं. जिस भी ऑब्जेक्ट को आपने सिलेक्ट किया है, जिस भी टूल को आपने सिलेक्ट किया है, whatever the tool you have selected, particular जो selected tool की properties आएंगी, that will be appearing on the properties panel. Next, tools panel. So tools panel will have the different sections of the tools. It is containing the options for performing a particular kind of task. So various sections on the tools panel in Flash. अभी ये ध्यान रखना है जब आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए कि फोटोशॉप का क्वेश्चन पूछा गया या फ्लैश का पूछा गया, ठीक है? उसमें भी कंपोनेंट्स हैं, फ्लैश में भी कंपोनेंट्स हैं. फ्लैश में भी लेयर्स हैं, फोटोशॉप में भी लेयर्स हैं. Then there are so many shortcut keys in the Flash also of different tools. Similarly, Photoshop के अंदर भी tools की हमने कितनी shortcut keys दी हैं. And दोनों में common चीज क्या है कि दोनों में control plus use नहीं होता है. Single it is a particular shortcut key for a particular tool. Clear? फिर उसमें भी tools panel है, उसमें भी कितने सारे tools हैं. The same is with the Flash also. So you have to particularly look for the question whether the question is with respect to Flash or in the context of Photoshop, right? So the tools panel in Flash, it is divided into the 4 sections. That is tools section, Okay, what is a tool section? Tool sections contains the tools which are used for drawing, painting, and selecting objects. View section consists of that are used for viewing and zooming, colors that will allow you to fill the gradients or the particular colors जो भी आपको fill करने हैं in a particular selected object. Option section that will give you the modifiers for a currently selected tool. जो भी tool select करेंगे उसके सब options क्या हैं, that will come under the option section. So components are clear. I am giving you 2 minutes. Be quick. Revise the components. All the definitions specifically. अभी तो आप सिर्फ read करके बोल रहे हो, so learn them now. Hurry up. Be quick, give a reading. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how to set document properties? What is the command for setting the document properties?
Option.
Modify menu,
Document option.
document option, or you can press Control plus J. Modify menu, document option, Control plus J. So what are the steps? Basically जो आपके simple same steps हैं यही वाले file menu, new option, new document window will appear. Then from the general tab, action script 3.0 and then उसके बाद आपको अगर modify करना है तो after that modify menu, document option. So what will open? Document settings dialog box. Document settings dialog box will appear. Now whatever the changes you want to do, you can do. Okay, what are the options in the document setting dialog box?
Auto save.
इसमें है options in the document dialog box. Photoshop में है options in the new document dialog box. Clear? So वहां पे भी आपको ध्यान देना है कि क्वेश्चन किसके लिए पूछा गया, डॉक्यूमेंट सेटिंग डायलॉग बॉक्स और न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट डायलॉग बॉक्स. तो न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट फोटोशॉप में भी है, फ्लैश में भी है, राइट? सो व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस? बैकग्राउंड कलर, ऑटो सेव, फ्रेम रेट, height and width. So what is the by default frame rate? 24 fps. Where fps is frames per second. Frames per second. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up, learn the options. Ruler unit, background color, auto save, frame rate that is 24 frames per second, height and width. Operations कौन से आते हैं एडिटिंग के अंदर? Rotating, selecting, flipping, copying and pasting, moving an object. Clear? So all these operations can be done on the object, right? Now let's discuss the two types of animations. Motion tween, shape tween. In which type of tweening the shape of the object is changed? In which type of tweening we use to give the movement to the object? एक में हम movement देते हैं, movement of an object, and in the second kind, one shape is converted into some new shape. Right? So movement of an object given by motion tween, shape of an object changes in the shape tween. In the shape tween, we do not require to convert the object into a symbol, but motion tween में हमें new symbol बनाना, right? What is a tween? What are animations? Animation refers to the way of presenting the objects in the rapid sequence of the motion. So now all the shortcut keys. I think you people have made the table earlier also. So let's revise that. The first shortcut key, cut, Control plus X, copy,
Control plus C,
Control plus C, paste,
Control plus V.
control plus
V.
V,
Insert F5.
insert frames
F5.
F5,
Insert keyframe F6.
third keyframes
F6.
F6,
To set document properties, Control plus J.
to set,
Document properties, Control plus J.
that is control plus
J. Selection tool V.
selection tool V,
V. Pre-transform tool Q.
pre-transform tool
Q.
Q. Any other?
Enter.
To play animation,
Enter.
enter key,
Convert object into symbol, Control plus F8.
to convert object
Into symbol, Control plus F8. To test the symbol, Control plus Alt plus Enter.
control plus
Alt plus Enter.
converting object into symbol, the shortcut key is
Control plus F8.
to make new symbol, चलो वो नेक्स्ट कर लेते हैं. To make new symbol F8. To control कौन सी है next? To test C,
Control plus Alt plus Enter.
control plus
Alt plus Enter.
So how many total? 12. आपने कितनी लिखी हुई है? F8 दोनों में चल जाती है वैसे तो. कंट्रोल प्लस F8 भी आप लिख सकते हो इसका. दैट इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट. टू मेक न्यू सिंबल में चाहिए यही कर लो, ठीक है. और टू कन्वर्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इनटू सिंबल, इसमें भी अकेला F8 विल वर्क, राइट. कंट्रोल प्लस F8 कर लो, दोनों वर्क करती है. सो द शॉर्टकट कीज क्लियर है सबको? कट, कंट्रोल प्लस, कॉपी,
Control plus C.
paste,
Control plus V.
insert frames,
F5.
insert keyframes,
F6.
document setting dialog box,
Control plus J.
selection tool,
V.
pre-transform tool,
Q.
converting object to symbol,
Control plus F8.
play animation,
Enter.
test scene.
Control plus Alt plus.
Now next are the commands in Flash. Various commands. हाँ जी, number 1,
Create flash file.
to create new Flash file. File menu,
New option.
new option.
Set document properties.
To set document, modify menu, document option,
Rotate and object. Modify menu transform, rotate and skew option.
modify menu,
Transform, rotate and skew option.
transform.
Rotate and skew option.
The sub option is rotate and skew.
To copy object.
To copy an object, edit menu,
Copy option.
to paste, edit menu, paste option,
Next, click an object. Modify menu, transform, flip vertical, flip horizontal.
modify menu, transform option. Sub option is flip vertical or flip horizontal. To create insert menu. To create shape tween. Insert menu. Shape tween option.
To convert object
To convert object. What is the command? Modify menu. Modify menu. Convert to symbol option.
Next to play animation.
To make new symbol add करो बीच में. To make new symbol, insert menu. New symbol option. To make new symbol, insert menu, new symbol option. To play animation, control menu play option. All done. CS in the Adobe Flash stands for Creative Suite. Shortcut key to play the animation. Enter key. Which component shows the current frame displayed on the stage? Playhead. Dash are the rectangular cells on the timeline. Frames option. F5 is for inserting frame. F6. Control plus enter. Enter key. Enter की किसके लिए यूज होती है? प्ले एनिमेशन. कंट्रोल प्लस F8. कन्वर्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट टू सिंबल. कंट्रोल प्लस J. To set document properties. All the shortcut keys and the menu commands. Clear? Any doubt? Revise them. Revise all the shortcut keys along with the menu commands. How to save? Save कैसे करोगे अपनी एनिमेशन को? File menu.
Save option.
And the shortcut key will be Control plus S. Okay? Control plus S. Just go through the chapter once again. Any doubt in any of the topic? Any topic you are not clear with? Moving an object, selecting object, flipping, rotating, types of animations. हाँ जी बच्चे, any doubt? Clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
So those who have done with the revision part, they can start the practical work now. You can create motion tween and shape tween. Only those students will do practical जिनका पहले ये revise हो गया. You can share the system with someone. आपने कर लिया revise? आप revise ही करिए. हाँ, 4 parts मतलब components of Flash. और कोई डाउट? टेस्ट में कोई क्वेश्चन क्लियर ना हो? क्लियर है? So make a shape in the Flash and convert it using a shape tween. Also give a movement using the motion tween. start doing that. Yes, Shu.
यस मैम, मैम जो आपने लिखा हुआ है मैम मोशन ट्विन ऑप्शन में, मैम मोशन ट्विन अकेला लिखा हुआ है, शेप ट्विन ऑप्शन लिखा हुआ है। मैम ऑप्शन आएगा मोशन ट्विन में या फिर अकेला ही?
प्लीज पार्डन, कौन से कहाँ पे किस क्वेश्चन में कह रहे हो?
मैम जो कमांड है शेप ट्विन और मोशन ट्विन की।
हाँ जी, इंसर्ट मेन्यू में मोशन ट्विन ऑप्शन।
ओके मैम, मैम आपने डाला नहीं तो मैम ऑप्शन डालना है, नहीं मैम ये लिखना है।
ऑप्शन इज नॉट अ वर्ड, दिस इज जस्ट फॉर सेइंग कि ये ऑप्शन हम यूज कर रहे हैं। आप किसी के भी आगे ऑप्शन लिखो चाहे ना लिखो, दैट इज द सेम थिंग। जैसे मैंने कॉपी ऑप्शन लिखा है तो अकेला कॉपी भी लिख सकते, पेस्ट अकेला लिखा तो पेस्ट के साथ ऑप्शन भी लिख सकते। Clear?